to Ankita's study room. Today, let's learn about diffusion. The property of mixing of particles of two materials on their own is known as diffusion. This happens due to the free movement of the particles of such materials. Gases diffuse very quickly into each other because their particles are in constant motion. Take an incense stick, burn it. Very soon, the fragrance of the incense stick will spread. This happens because fumes of incense stick diffuse into the air. Liquids diffuse into each other quite slowly. This is because the particles of a liquid are not so free to move as they are in gases. Take some clean water in a glass. Put a few drops of blue ink in the water. You will see that the blue ink spreads slowly in the water. This shows how one liquid diffuses into another liquid. Solids do not diffuse with each other because their particles are held tightly with each other and cannot move. For example, sand and stone do not diffuse with each other. Solids can, however, diffuse slowly into liquids. This is because the particles of a liquid are able to move. Take some clean water in a glass. Drop a few crystals of potassium permanganate in water. Observe the water. You will see that pink color will slowly spread in the water. This shows diffusion of a solid in a liquid.